So I am using now Geogebra 6, I believe. I've come over here and I typed in my function that we've been discussing on the board. It's nice with Geogebra. I could just choose to use T. I could have probably used X. If this was Geogebra 5, I probably would have used X. I don't really know why. I typed in PI to get this pi. But everything else should be pretty straightforward. And then I typed in y equals 300, and that gave me this horizontal line. I personally would use a calculator to find out my value at t equals 7. So I wouldn't have used Geogebra to do this. I'm sure that you could do a vertical line and do an intersection thing to get that. But I want to move on to the harder one, which is when do the foxes become endangered? And so I graphed this stuff, and then I zoomed out until I could see my graph, and I got this awful looking thing. Impossible to read. So here's what you do. You click over here, and you click these buttons, and wait a second. No, I'm sorry. You click on the gear. Of course, it's the gear. And then it tells you, hey, here's your mins and maxes. Well, I know the minimum x that I care about is 0. Just like before, the max I care about is about 10 years later. Now it's already looking much better. The minimum population, I don't know, can be 100. Well, that's a negative 100. Let's go with 100. And the maximum population, just so that it looks like the calculator, I'm going to go with like that. But obviously I could have stopped as soon as I could see. And here this is the region where we care about. When is the population less than 300? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, I believe, and I am going to, maybe that wasn't it. Hold on one second. Oh, all right, I'm sorry. So I click on this, and then right down here the button is intersect. So I am looking for the intersection of these two things, and I can point right to it and click on it. And I get a year of 1.3. That's what we expected. I can click again over here and get a year of 2.9 approximately. So now I know that between 1.3 and 2.9 is my answer. Yeah. So that's about that. It's as easy as that. Good luck.